Okay. Okay, what's up guys? So in today's video we are at a unknown location, unlocked. We're here to fix our friend's car. We're working on a GN6 today. So just kind of give you a rundown of what we're exactly working on is the threshold, Johnny.
So yeah, our friend here drove over a very, very deep pothole and his BC Racing coilover borderline just exploded. I honestly don't know what it's called, but that ruptured. It's completely...
The strut, yeah, strut broke.
Yeah, that broke.
Wait, so what are we, what are we swapping into?
He's getting
airlift?
Yeah, airlift performance.
Dude, we don't even know how to install airlift, bro.
Well, how hard could it be, right?
Hmm?
What the fuck?
Elaborate, what is this?
Yeah.
What kind of shock is this?
It's a shop on Facebook Marketplace. Because he has bags.
Because he has bags.
Okay, wait.
That makes sense.
So it's a stock strut
with
lowering springs.
Yep, ABAC coils or lowering springs. Did he also give you?
Is that like a sway links? Is that sway
Or
links?
some sway links.
That
He gave you
looks
sway
like a
links.
sway links.
Yeah. Oh shit. Nice.
But the ball joint looks.
Yeah. That looks like it's about to fucking rupture. This one looks.
Well, we don't
fairly
even
okay.
need to replace a sway link.
Yeah, we don't need to replace the sway link.
Okay. Alright, so yeah, this video is gonna consist of working on the ZN6 in this condominium parking lot, and we're gonna replace all 4 struts right now. So yeah, if you guys wanna keep on watching, let's keep it going. So yeah, we're gonna start from the front first. So yeah, basically first we're gonna take off the wheel and assess the situation because this side.
Oh Jesus!
Wait, how does that happen?
So
Wait, how does that
hang
happen?
on. Before he stops recording, the top hat is snapped off.
Wait, what?
It's snapped off.
What? How, is this even possible? Thank you. I have never seen a
I ain't never seen 2 pretty best friends. Always one of them gotta be ugly.
Okay, today's content is about to be very interesting because we have never seen something like this before.
Oh yeah, no, I gotta.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna have to build this.
So what's leaking is the dampening. There's basically like oil that lubricates and it like travels. Don't do this, but I'm doing it. Yo!
This thing is busted.
This thing is busted. Look at the top.
Yeah, it's completely snapped off, like a clean cut, and we still gotta take that guy out.
Well, it's not that hard.
Yeah, it's just the top hat, but there we go. That's one done. It's just literally all coming apart. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
It's just the top hat.
Let's see the bottom of this thing. Oh.
God. That's bad.
Alright.
Okay, so now that we got it off, we're gonna put the stock strut with the lowering springs, and then quickly probably do the other side and show you guys what it looks like.
I'll have that same reaction.
Oh!
Smoke break.
Okay, done.
Done.
One side. First side. Just one side.
Pick up back tomorrow.
A stock strut with the lower spring. Actually, it's just lower now. Yeah. That's pretty good. It took a while, but we finally got it on, so pretty stoked about that. Damn it, it's raining. Okay, so front is done, so now we're onto rear, and the rear is relatively a lot easier. Basically, okay, we couldn't take it off. Oh, well, we did, and we tried to put the stock one in. It just didn't line up, and it's because the lower control arm is aftermarket, so I figure maybe because something to do with the alignment, and it's not gonna fit. So we gave up on it, but BC coils for the rear works perfectly fine, so we decided to just keep it. And upon the owner's request, he wanted to lower it, so we're gonna lower it just a bit, because right now the front's a lot lower than the rear, so we're gonna lower some more. Yeah, let's go. It's low.
Nice. Damn.
Maybe I dumped it a little too much.
No, you're good.
Okay, all right. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, I'm stoked.
I'm stoked.
Oh my god,
I
dude.
forgot where it was before. I think it was like right here.
No, okay, now this is low. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Now you can drive. Okay, try drive around, like the block, and come back. Because I need to see how your spring settled. So try go, drive around. Alright, so it's on 9 now, but I have, it was very challenging at one point with working with FRS chassis, and yeah, I mean, at least it's in one piece now, and you can able to drive it around, and also I lowered it, so it looks really nice and even, and you know, low is always nice, so yeah, really happy with the result. But yeah, thank you. But honestly, this is it. This is it for today's video. Might not be that interesting, but hope you guys like this video. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow all of our social media. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out. I'm so tired.